Hey guys, this is Mr. C here for my CAD1 students. Today we're going to look at a alternative to SolidWorks that is free for students to download. It is called Fusion360. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to my website here and go to CAD1. There should be a link to my website in your Google Classroom. So the next thing you want to do is go to CAD1 Mechanical Design, and once you get to that, you're going to scroll down under CAD Sim. There was our link to SolidWorks, and then we have a link to Fusion 360. There's also a download down in the download section, so you can always download that file from either place. But here you can click on the 360 and it should start downloading. It's a zip file, so we're going to have to unzip it. So let me go through those steps for you here. So I want to go to my download folder. If you're using Google Chrome here, you can click on the little arrow and then choose show in folder, or you could go to the file manager and go to it from there and then choose downloads over here. So there's downloads, same place. Alright, so you can see I've downloaded this a couple times. You can tell it's a zip folder. I have my extensions turned on, but you can see also tell by the icon. Simple to extract. All you're going to do is double click on it. That's going to load up the extraction part of File Manager. Make sure you're in the extract button here, compress folders, and there you can see there's the executable. We're going to extract all and choose extract, and then that's going to open up in the folder that it was extracted to. So you can see that it came in a folder. Now this is only going to work for desktops or laptops. If you have a Chromebook, we're going to have to try to figure a different way for you to access this program. But looking at your surveys, it looked like you all had a desktop or a laptop you had access to. Now I know there is a version for Macintosh, and when I went to the Autodesk website today, they were having some technical issues. So if you have a Mac, please be patient, and I'll try to get the download for that as soon as possible. But in the meantime, you just want to double click on the Fusion 360 client downloader, and that's going to launch here in a second. But this program, like I said, is very similar to SolidWorks. Just follow the prompts here to install your program. Now I've installed Fusion 360 already on my machine, so I'm not going to install it again, but I'll give you a few seconds so you can see what it looks like when it's setting up. It's actually extracting some files, or actually probably downloading some files from the internet. So depending upon the speed of your computer will be how fast this gets downloaded. So like I said, I've already installed this, so I'm not going to install it again. I'm going to cancel out of this. But if you have any issues, or if you have a Mac, or if you have a Chromebook, please email me. We also are going to have a Zoom meeting in a Zoom meeting on Wednesday for anyone that has issues or problems. So stay tuned for that. I believe that's scheduled for 12 to 2 on Wednesday. So if you need to get some one-on-one help, just log on to the Zoom link that I left in my Google Classroom, and we'll get you taken care of. So once that installs, go ahead and play around with it. There's some great information out there. Just Google Fusion 360 tutorials, and you'll find a whole bunch of stuff out there for it. It's a nice little program, and like I said, students get to use it for free. And if you have questions, again, make sure you ask. But until next time, this is Mr. C signing off.